Namaste students. Today we will learn how to solve a polynomial involving two factors in which we have to find the value of a and b, and the value of fx, that is the remainder, is given only for one of the factors. So let's take a look at question number 23 of exercise 8b, ICSE class 10, RS Agarwal. So let's proceed. Here the polynomial is 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 14, and x minus 2 is one of the factors of this polynomial, and x minus 3 is also one of the factors of the polynomial. Now we get the remainder fx is equals to 3 when the polynomial is divided by the factor x minus 3, and we have to find the value of a and b. Let's proceed. Part 1. X minus 2 equals to 0 goes to x is equals to 2. When you substitute the value in fx, you get the following equation. f2 is equals to 16 plus 4a plus 2b minus 14. f2 is equals to 2 plus 4a plus 2b. Now a very crucial step. As I told in my previous video, if you have an equation which is completely divisible by a single number, you can take it out that as common, and since x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial, so fx is 0, right? So when 2 is taken out, you can divide it by 0 and your answer is 0, because anything divided by 0 is 0. And you can simplify the equation for finding the values by this equation dissection method. Now if you want to find the equation for b, it will be as follows. b is equals to minus 1 minus 2a. Now come to part 2 of this question. The factor is x minus 3, that goes to x is equals to 3. When you substitute it in the following equation, we will get f3 is equals to 52. Remember, when this factor gives the remainder, fx is equals to 52. Okay. Now 52 is equals to 54 plus 9a plus 3b minus 14. Furthermore, 52 is equals to 40 plus 9a plus 3b. Now a very crucial step again. You have to take it out as common. Now for this question, you have taken 9a plus minus 3 minus 6a. Now since you have transposed this term to the left side, you get 12. So 12 is equals to 3a minus 3. So this accounts for a as value of 3. So our value of a will be 3. Now coming on to the equation of b, which we had prepared, b is equals to minus 1 minus 2a. If we substitute the value of a into this equation, we get the value of b. So b is equals to minus 1 minus 10, that goes for minus 11. Hence for this equation, the value of a and b is a is equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 11. Hope you got it. Thank you.